Hi children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn English translation Odia to English. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବସିବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time to see it. I don't have time to see it. Next. ମୋ ପାଖରେ କଥା ହେବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. ମୋ ପାଖରେ କଥା ହେବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time to talk. I don't have time to talk. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବୁଝେଇବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବୁଝେଇବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time to explain. I don't have time to explain. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time to eat. I don't have time to eat. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଖେଳିବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଖେଳିବାକୁ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time to play. I don't have time to play. ଭୁଲ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ହେଉଛି. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. ଟିକେ ପଛକୁ ଯାଅ. Just back away. Just back away. ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଭାବିନଥିଲି. ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଭାବିନଥିଲି. I did not even think of it. I did not even think of it. ମୋତେ ତମ ସହିତ ଯିବାର ଅଛି. ମୋତେ ତମ ସହିତ ଯିବାର ଅଛି. I need you to go with you. I need you to go with you. ମୋତେ ଖରାପ ଲାଗୁଛି. ମୋତେ ଖରାପ ଲାଗୁଛି. I am feeling down. I am feeling down. ମୋତେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗୁଛି. ମୋତେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗୁଛି. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. ମୁଁ ବଜାର ଯାଉଛି. ମୁଁ ବଜାର ଯାଉଛି. I am going to market. I am going to market.